Hello everybody. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider going ahead and hitting the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. So if you're interested in this beautiful, cute little unit that I'm wearing, it is by Pre-Tress Equal. I'm sorry, it is by Motown Tress. And her name is Farrah. I'll leave the information card for her right up here. So today is Human Hair Monday. Yay! And I'm really excited about this unit. I just ran across it. It popped up on my timeline in YouTube. It is by the Wigdealer. And I just want you to see the packaging. This is how it came in the mail in this nice package. And it also came in this. And here's the cute little pouch that it is in. And they're on Instagram. And this is one of their short, they call beginner units, where everything is done for you. It's the knots are bleached and it's pre-plucked, and there's very minimal work that you have to put into it. So here's what it looks like. It's just a very short, cute little unit for the summer. And there's the hairline. It's very, very nice, and it's a soft brown lace that shouldn't be too difficult to blend. And also here's the construction underneath, and you get this adjustable strap, and it has the hooks so that you can make it fit perfectly and get your unit to lay flush. It smells very nice. And I also bought their melting spray, so I'm going to be using that. And I also bought their lace blending spray is what they call it. And I got it in the color, sorry, I can't see. I got it in the color chestnut. So I'm gonna cut the lace, spray it with the tint, and put this on. Okay, I wanted to come on here and just kind of see exactly what the lace would look like before I sprayed the lace tint on it. And trying to decide, do I even need it or, but anyway, here's what the hairline looks like. It fits very nicely. The adjustable band is making it lay very flush. So I mean, I really don't even know if I'm gonna have to glue it down, except just to make the lace melt seamlessly. But I mean, if you were in a hurry and didn't want to, you really don't have to, because it fits, I mean, very, very well. And so this is the length of it. And once I get it styled and everything, it's going to be really, really cute. So please stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I think this is just so cute. Just really cute and natural looking, like you just cut your own natural hair for the summertime. And it's very becoming. And gonna look at it all the way around. Look at the hairline. Here's this side, and then check out the back. I mean, does it not look like it's just growing right out of my head? Just so cute. Cute. And I think I paid $124 for this, $120 something. It was very inexpensive, but I'll be sure to leave the information down below. So you all saw what I did. I sprayed the lace with the tint that this is by their company, Wigdealer, and I used their melting spray, and this spray smells so good, y'all. Oh, it smells good. And one more thing I wanted to tell y'all, since you stayed here till the end, I also purchased something else from the Wigdealer that I thought was really cute. And it's this little traveling bag. Isn't that cute? And I will leave the information for it. I want to say it was maybe $24, $25, something like that. And here's the inside. You get a mirror, and you also get some places to hold your combs and whatever else you need for your wig. And it also has elastic down here to hold things in place. And it's just really cute. You know, if you don't want to use it for a wig, you can use it for cosmetics or toiletries or whatever you want to use it for. It has this nice metal handle, and you have your feet on the bottom. And I just thought it was really cute, and I thought it was reasonably priced, so that's why I purchased it. So let's put on some sunnies. Yeah, I don't even want to take this unit off, but I have some more reviews I have to do. So please like, comment, and share. Give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.